Welcome to this demo of Forest for Zendesk. Okay, so let's open a ticket on Zendesk. You'll see on the right, I have my Forest app that is running right in Zendesk, and it's analyzing the contents of the ticket to try to find someone who matches the requester, Emma Johansson. As you can see, it found a matching customer in our database. Now I can have a look at this customer's details right here. So this is all accessing my data through Forest. I'm only seeing the data that I have the right to access. I also see actions that are available on this customer. But another thing I like is that the Forest app recommends actions. So here the customer is saying they lost their card ending in 4821. They ask if we can send a replacement. So Forest is suggesting what to do for that particular customer request, right in the Actions tab. You can also access this by loading the cards from this particular customer. You can see the card ending 4821 is right here. As you scroll, you can also see all the actions available on that card. I can pick Replace Card because I have the permission and the role to actually run this action. I can just click on Execute, and then I get a notification that tells me it's done, and now I can basically answer to the customer that the new card will arrive in a few days and close the ticket. And that's how you use the Forest app in Zendesk.